This is a story of a dancing peacock. It will help you tame your ego and pride so you become more loving and warm hearted. Once upon a time, a very long time ago, the four footed animals made the lion their king. There was a gigantic fish that roamed the oceans, and the fish made him their king. The birds were attracted to beauty, so they chose the golden swan as their king. King Golden Swan had a beautiful golden daughter. While she was still young, he granted her one wish. She wished that when she was old enough, she could pick her own husband. When his daughter was old enough, King Golden Swan called all the birds living in the vast Himalayan mountains of Central Asia to a gathering. The purpose was to find a worthy husband for his golden daughter. Birds came from far away, even from high Tibet. There were geese, swans, eagles, sparrows, hummingbirds, cuckoos, owls, and many other kinds of birds. The gathering was held on a high rock slab in the beautiful green land of Nepal. King Golden Swan told his lovely daughter to select whichever husband she wished. She looked over the many birds. Her eye was attracted by a shining emerald green, long-necked peacock with a gorgeous flowing tail feathers. She told her father, "This bird, the peacock, will be my husband." Hearing that he was the lucky one, all the other birds crowded around the peacock to congratulate him. They said, "Even among so many beautiful birds, the Golden Swan Princess has chosen you. We congratulate you on your good fortune." The peacock became so puffed up with pride that he began to show off his colorful feathers in a fantastic strutting dance. He fanned out his spectacular tail feathers and danced in a circle to show off his beautiful tail. Being so conceited, he pointed his head at the sky and forgot all modesty, so that he also showed his most private parts for all to see. The other birds, especially the young ones, giggled. But King Golden Swan was not amused. He was embarrassed to see his daughter's choice behave in this way. He thought, "This peacock has no inner shame to give him proper modesty, nor does he have the outer fear to prevent indecent behavior. So why should my daughter be shamed by such a mindless mate?" Standing in the midst of the great assembly of birds, the king said, "Sir Peacock, your voice is sweet, your feathers are beautiful, your neck shines like an emerald, and your tail is like a splendid fan. But you have danced here like one who has no proper shame or fear. I will not permit my innocent daughter to marry such an ignorant fool." Then the king Golden Swan married his golden daughter to a royal nephew. The silly strutting peacock flew away, having lost a beautiful wife. If you let pride go to your head, you will wind up acting like a fool. It was a pride that changed angels into devils. It is humility that makes men as angels. Pride costs us more than hunger, thirst, and cold. Pride and excess bring disaster for man. Pride is the trap of ego pleasure. Swallow your pride, open your heart, and show more humility. Pride is the most deeply entrenched sin, the one to which we are the most blind. It is the basis of all deception. With pride, there are many curses. With humility, there come many blessings. Pride is an admission of weakness. It secretly fears all competition and dreads all rivals. Pride is pleasure rising from a man's thinking too highly of himself. Pride is the master sin of the devil, and the devil is the father of lies. Pride makes us artificial, and humility makes us real. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom.